So, how's it going, guys? Derek here from Addictive Tips. And in this video, we will be talking about how you can change your hostname. Now, if you don't know what hostname is, that's just your unique identifier for your computer. It's what other computers see when they talk to your computer on the network. So I have customized my terminal so you can see my hostname, because typically you don't see this. Typically this part is hidden. I'm a minimalist when it comes to the terminal, but for this video I decided to break out the hostname identifier so you can see it. So there are two ways you can change it. Now let's start off with the first way. The first way is with the hostname app. So to start off, you want to gain root, going sudo tech, enter your password. After that, you can do hostname B and then the new name of your hostname. So if you don't like the one you picked when you installed your OS, you can choose a different one. So I could go Fedora Desktop. And now, if I run hostname again, it's Fedora Desktop, and it's no longer Ryzen Desktop. If I want to change it back again, I can do, maybe I changed my mind again, I can do, and it's that easy. And I like using the hostname app because it's pretty fast, but not everybody has access to that app. So if you don't have access to that app, you're going to need to use the old school way, which is just modifying the etc hostname file. So the quickest way to change the hostname file is to open it up in the nano text editor. So you're going to need to do nano tech w etc hostname. From there, you can delete what it has and then type in your new one. So like we were saying before, Fedora Desktop, then just save it. Then you can run the hostname command, or you can do cat etc hostname. And we see this is the new one. Now, you might notice that the terminal prompt has not changed. It will not change until you reboot your computer, but it is effectively changed. And on the network, people are going to see the new one. They're not going to see the old one. So once again, if you want to change it the old way, just open up this file, go ahead and save it out, and that's it. The hostname is important, and knowing how to change it is very useful, because a lot of Linux users who don't know this often get stuck with terrible, stupid hostnames that they regret. I hope you guys found this video informative. It's useful information, like I said. I will see you in the next video.